Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. Today in the mail, I got my conspiracy palette from the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson collab. Wasn't able to get it the first time, so I had to wait for the pre-order to come, and it literally arrived on my doorstep literally less than 3 hours ago, and I was so excited to play with it. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, stay tuned. So first today, my skin is already primed, already moisturized with just some things I have at home, but I will be going in with my Shape Tape Pore and Prime Balm to prime my face. And once that's complete, I will be going in with the Born This Way foundation in the shade Swan with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. And now that is done, I will be going in with my Tarte Shape Tape in Fair. It looks kind of crazy. Then I will be going in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. Next, we're gonna bronze with Tarte Amazonian Clay Matte Waterproof Bronzer and Park Avenue Princess with the BH Cosmetic Brush in 3. Next, I will be taking the BH Cosmetic Brush in 2, just a large fluffy brush, and a little bit of my setting powder just to blend that in and soften those edges. We're not the best at bronzing, but we're trying it. Next, I'll be taking my Lottie London Blush in Zane. It's just one of these that came in a subscription box, and I'll be doing that with my BH Cosmetic One brush. Next, on to eyebrows. I'll be going in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz in Soft Brown. Forgot to highlight. Big brain. Next, I'll be going in with the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in Star Island. It's this one in this trio. And I will be using my BMX 265 Glow Brush. Today in the mail, because I had to wait because it sold out so fast, I finally got my conspiracy palette from the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson collab. It is absolutely beautiful. And alongside that, I also got the mini controversy palette, which is just fantastic. I love all of these little pan presses. So I will be taking my pills all over the lid with the BMX 430 crease brush. Next, I will be going in with Just because this palette seems to have a little bit of fallout, I am going to pack my translucent setting powder underneath my eyes just so I can brush away all the fallout. Back to looking crazy. Woo! Next, I will be taking my BH Cosmetics 5 brush, just a fluffy brush, and taking my rides here and putting that really close to the crease. That way we can lay down some Illuminati on the lid. Next, I will be taking my BH Cosmetics 7 brush and a little bit of the Morphe Settings Mist and spraying my brush, putting Illuminati on there, and packing that on my lid. Bit more of my Ride Is Here mixed with root beer just to blend out that edge. And I'll be taking my big fluffy brush and brushing all this powder away. On my lower lash line, I'm going to take spiraling with my BMX 402 smudger brush. And for a little pop of color, why not put some Canceled on the inner lower waterline. And that concludes the eyes. Alright, and we're back. I had to change a little bit of the lighting because we were running out of daylight. As you can see, it is very subtle dark eye with that little pop of Illuminati. And you can't really see it on camera, but this blue just brightens up the inner corner a little bit. So I will be right back. I am going to line my waterline, put on some mascara, which will be Lash Paradise by L'Oreal and Black is Black, and I'm going to put on some lashes. Alright, and I'm back, even though it was literally seconds for you. Popped on some lashes. These are Little Black Dress. I don't know the brand off the top of my head. And then I also popped on Unicorn Blood by Jeffree Star onto the lips just to complete the look. What do you guys think? I think it is very pretty. It's dark, but it is also winter where I'm at, so that is okay. Overall, you know, kept it pretty simple, but the colors I did use in the Conspiracy palette I so far love. I will do a couple more trials with them to see how the other colors are formulated and how they perform on the skin, and I will get back to you guys. This is not a review, but I did just get it in the mail and I did want to play with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.